Hi guys, this is an unboxing video for Yamaha YHT 1840. So we will go ahead and open this box and see what do we have inside, and we'll try to connect and play and check the audio output of this device. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, there comes up the plastic. Okay, so the first thing is we just have this, intro guide where you have the basic information as to how to connect this device. Then it looks pretty well packed. Okay, I think I'll get this. Okay. Okay, now, okay, there you go. See the device itself, that's the remote for the device. It all looks pretty well packed actually. Okay, let's go ahead. And this is a cable. I'll have to check what this cable is all about. I'm not really sure. I think maybe it's just to connect. We'll look at it a little later. And this is again the owner's manual. So as you can see, it's all well packed. So you can actually, and there's also a CD in this, basically to kind of give you an intro. And it's like an owner's manual, which is a good thing. Okay, let's go ahead. What else do we have?
The receiver itself.
Okay, we have the receiver itself. Now we'll try to see how this guy looks. Wow. Okay, this is rear view. This is the front view. As you can see, it's written Yamaha. Natural sound AV receiver, and you have the HDMI output. This comes with a 5.1 amp, speakers, and okay, you have all these programming buttons. This is the volume control. So that's how the okay, it looks pretty good. Okay, let's.
Yeah.
This is the standard cable that we have, right? And if I go back and see, there are different audio output devices. There are HDMI ports. You can see the HDMI ports here.
There is the HDMI ARC.
HDMI ARC, the four audio return channel, and these are the four different HDMI ports. This is the antenna for radio. I think the earlier wire we saw, I think that is for this one, if I'm not wrong. Okay. We have the optical cable input here, so you can connect it to optical device as well. So, and again we have a different subwoofer settings where you can connect all the speakers using these channels here. Okay. All right, let's go back and see what's there inside. We mount this to. Just trying to bring that out as it is. Okay, as you can see, this is very well packed, so there's no chance of it getting kind of damaged or spoiled in any way. So let's see how the speakers look. So as you can see, there's some cable which you can use to connect all your 5 speakers. So that I think this is more than enough, even if you have probably a huge hall. Okay, there you go. So the sub itself, these are the speakers. So this is how the speaker looks. Again, basic, to connect and maybe to hang it on the wall against a nail if you want. They are like 5.1. The second speaker here.
Sub itself.
The sub. It's pretty huge. It looks like it's a big sub.
Should be 18 sub.
I think this is an 8-inch. Yep, it looks 8-inch. Yep. It's the rear view. There you go. Okay. That's the front view, the side view, the rear view to connect.
The other side.
On the other side, it's closed as you can see. And we'll go ahead and open the other 2 speakers, 3 speakers in fact. Again, 2 more set of speakers, similar ones that you can actually put to the 4 corners of your hall so that you can get that proper 5.1 surround effect. So that's the 3rd speaker there. Okay, that's the 4th. So as you can see, that's the sub. You have all the 4 speakers. Here to here, so that's 4 speakers there, and
Center channel.
center channel speaker, as you can see. So that's the complete set that you get along with this inside the box. So now what we need to do is we need to connect these and make sure, and let's see how the output is. So we'll make another video for that. So that's about it, the unboxing version in the end. So the actual price of this device, on the box is 34,990 rupees, as you can see. But we got it at a discounted price. We bought it from Reliance Digital, and the total amount was 29,390 rupees. So we got a good discount as well on this entire package itself, and it comes with a warranty again, the usual warranty, yeah, let's see how it sounds. Maybe we'll make another video once we connect it and see how it sounds. But this looks really beautiful and really exciting. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.